Happy Wednesday. Happy trading. It just don't hit the same on days where it wasn't a good trading day. So our first one, we went for Visa. So look, it was close. I mean, it was far away. It was far away. Wide state. But on here, it was a close state. It had just broke out. I got in right there. Right there. Soon as I got in, went down. I said, okay, if you're going to give me a bar like this, and then you're going to give me a bar like this, that's a bull 180. I'm selling. So I sold it, tried to set my stop, or what did it do? It went the opposite way. And then I just decided to get out. Um, had I sold and kept my stop, it looks like I would have paid benefited. Uh, but it looks like, hey, just doing the sell here and hitting that bar right there, that would have been a nice trade. And that's where we can play the 200. So I thought it was worse than it was. It wasn't bad. It was just we tried to play it up. Up didn't work, stop in reverse. Tried to play it down, and then we got out a little too soon. So that was rough. So in the meantime, we were trading Amazon, which I know Oliver said trade two stocks at once, but I mean I think the stocks that I'm in are just too expensive right now, and I'm gonna. I think you can see these new stocks I have right here. I'm gonna go back down in price, and we'll just experiment with that. But let's see what we did in Amazon. It was perfect. That's why I hate to do it because I look back at my Visa trade. It was a good trade. I just hate I've come to the conclusion that if I make it past 11, I'm profitable. I just have to make it past 11, and I can't make it past 11 if I use these expensive $400 stocks. They just don't, they turn on me. I don't know how to say it. I don't have enough umph capital to be able to handle this. But look at this. I sell right here. I'm thinking narrow state. I'm thinking use this as the 20 or the 200. All right. It goes down. It comes up. I get out here because I went over on my loss on Visa. So a first trade, second trade. By the second trade, I was out. I hit maximum trade once, maximum trade the second time, but then I was still in Visa. That's what killed me. But had I just been in Visa, or I mean, had I just played Visa, if I had more money to play with, I could have played Visa the right way. So that's why I'm not playing Visa anymore. I'm gonna change the stocks I play. And Amazon, look at this. Sell. This is when I was gonna sell more. And like ChatGPT said, I have to ride the five. I was gonna ride the five. I would have been like in the day, all this profit. That's $4. Oh man. So that's what sucked today. So let's go over the rest of what Visa looked like for the day. Uh, of course, obviously, you'd want to play up and you'd stop and reverse at the stop. Let it go down. Add right there. Let it go down. And you probably could get out some here. Leave a lot. Let it ride. Color change. Sell. Market law 4. High or low. Buy right here. Elephant. Or takes out at least this much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Played it to here. Got out. Position of power. You could play this. In the day. And then let's go to Amazon. L1, only expect a little bit. L2, elephant bar, sell, wait for the color change, sell more, hold it, probably get out here, leave a lot, position of power, sell. You could say, hey, market law 4, but you don't get an elephant bar here. So elephant bar's down off the 20. So we sell with a stop here. Ride it. Probably get out here. Or if you were looking at, the 5 minute, you would know. Sell, sell, pull 180, buy. 11 o'clock, it's going to go pretty flat after this. But, you could micro whale. Flat 20, so we know it's in a range. Looks like it's respecting it. Nope. Elephant bar. Off. 200. Clearing. whale. So let's go ahead and look at hypothetically some other stocks. Had we have played C today, for example, it's a lower tier, not a lower tier, but it's less than what we've been playing. Let's see if the strategy would work. Fab 4. Well, actually, Fab, might as well include Fab 4. Or you could eliminate the 200 because it's so far away. Either or call. If you did, first one's here. It's an island. You'd get this, and as soon as it went past, well, I honestly I'd sell here, but you could wait till it gets past here and sell. You'd have right back into the Fab Four, get out, or stay in it. Just set your stop here, and that's amazing. That's a nice flowing stock. I was better than any move I got today. And you can see it here. That's a nice whale. 1850 to wow. $7 move on Citigroup. Jeez. Jeez. Let's see, CX. Let's just sell. We're gonna sell here. Go back here. Here. Buy. Stop. Get out. And that's still 6 20 40 80 120 160 $2. That's a $2 move right there. So I think it'll be cool. I could maybe make it past 11 like this. I should be able to. It's gonna mark. Oh man, look at this. Narrow state, elephant bar. That's exactly what we're looking for. Wow. Uh, Uber. I already trade Uber. Right now, Uber's my most profitable stock as of late, based upon the month. So, kind of deciding to keep Uber and then do Walmart. So, here's the new list. We're going to trade with it. Wish me luck tomorrow. This market's got to do me right, man. It's been 3 days vending early. And it's like, I'm just so frustrated because I just want to trade. And I mean, I was doing good on other accounts, but I like trading on this account. So, till tomorrow, deuces.